It's a body bag. He just gets up and bites your ass. Oh, he might have just blinked.
Take a pic for the ground.
All right, pose. Jeez.
So what does that mean? We gotta pull it out, redo it again?
No, this will just have to be packed down, packed in.
Can you put cement in there, just fill it with concrete?
Yeah. You can. I got a pocket full of peanuts. Throw them in there, bud.
Peanut boy. Elephant boy. Put it in your nose.
Hurry, hurry. Where? Poor guy. He's gonna have holes in him. Hey, what are you doing up there, pal? Can't be working. That's for sure. Hey, pal. Hey, pal. What are you doing?
Are y'all done down there?
I've got your face clear right now. You got the chicken. You got the jalapeno. You got the hash green chili. You got the jalapeno cheddar. Hey, what do we tell them?
We tell him.
Opas! Wow. Oh, wow. Wow.
Look at this absolute long carrot.
I wish I was pulling a side by side instead of a fucking mower.
They take them hunting or what?
Nah, keep that energy. Show them what you were doing.
It's late nights.
Show them what you're doing.
It's late nights when you just...
See, look at this. See? He was throwing shit. Weren't you?
It fell over.
Yeah. That chin be chinning, boy. He looks like one of those little creatures off of Horton Hears the Who.
Ain't shit to eat over here.
He's got his little coals.
Trapper beer running. Big bear.
Well, what about me?
Well, 2 dogs, Bucky.
Leave your hat on.
Terrible.
Red your snap.
Dude. So, you know how like,
Good angle, huh?
Stay away from me.
He's like yelling.
He's
at us,
literally coming to you, bro. Look at
bro.
him.
He's barking.
He's ready to jump.
That's what I'm worried about.
You got scared?
No, I got work to do.
You know Brennan will.
When did you grow that one? Hey, get out of my face. What are you doing?
Bro, you're growing more and more moles.
What are you doing?
Pussy! You won't do it. Found himself a bike. Look, the wheel doesn't even come on.
Oh my god.
Jump it! Oh my. Hey, you gotta jump over your hoodie. Bro, that back wheel doesn't even come off. That one. Angel, do something cool. I'm trying to get you on camera, bro.
World star.
Yeah. Oh. That's a big ass thing. They got more shit, bro. This one's scary, bro. What the fuck, dude? That's insane. Ain't no fucking way, dude. What are you thinking? Look at him.
Send me that video. He's like, look at him. He's like,
Damn. Hey. Look at him. He's massive. Dude, that's a big walk.
look, I'm about to run his ass down. Ah!
Look at him. Out again. He's about to charge my truck. Go! Get out of here, boy! Look, he's about to come after me. Go! He's like, what are you even fucking talking about? Come here, buddy. He's gone. This is the sun. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I hate those things.
It's okay, buddy.
Cute guy.
You almost made it in. When
We get a bottle once we
everybody
finish
get
this
on, get around the phone.
Don't
Okay,
spill beer
I'm
on
just
the
gonna-
phone.
Fuck it.
I'm gonna do that trick where you go like this and just blow it out.
Cheers. Cheers, boys.
Cheers,
I'm
fellas.
gonna be the first one done, 100%. The hell was that? There's that Don't be scared, buddy. Give me a good smile. A smile that doesn't say you're about to die. Like this.
So, fourth and jump.
What you think?
That shit fun, boy.
Tie this down.
Turn the bitches on. You're gonna blow up, dude.
Let's refresh.
Bro, yeah, do that. Look at me.
He's alive.
Look, I had to go pull a dead branch out of that tree up there. Look what they got going on. Oh my god, bro, we just climbed that shit like nothing. Damn. That motherfucker's big. In there, fuck you, pussy.
Go use that hammer you got.
My hammer.
Expensive ass hammer.
Whoa.
Come on, bro. Throw that drill down. Let's go. Oh, I just saved you from stabbing deep. Fuck.
What you doing, little guy?
Oh, you know, pulling weeds. Oh shit.
I don't know. I was going back there, and I just seen him. I seen him shoot out from somewhere behind these bushes. He just shot out.
Damn,
and
they're
ran into
dipping
the
on
yard.
him though. Poor guy.
He's so little though.
I know.
Fucking cute.
Yeah, I was pretty sure it was an antelope. Here's our answer.
Oh, that's cool seeing him up close like that.
It's like they're trying to get away from him. They're trying to leave his ass, look. They're like, quit following me. Hey, bro, put in 0.5 lens for them lines, though, bro. Yes, sir, bro. Ooh. Put in, boy. Ooh, look, the man, the myth. Ooh. Spicy with it.
Should be eating through my shit every day, bro.
You look like Colton and Jace. What you doing, boy?
Hey, back up.
She's gonna whoop your ass. No way. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Trained up, player. Trained up, player. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's a little difficult training them up when Jace fucked these lines up one day, but hey, looking good, player. Looking good, player. You see them? You see them? Yeah. 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 All in, player. Ooh, look at them. Ooh.
Don't script this shit off then.
Yeah.
Damn, he started it, but he couldn't.
It's all boom, pussy. Rodney might want a new favorite. Woo! Look at these little boos.
Ready.
Go, go, go.
Damn. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Boner shots. Yes, sir.
Matt spilled it all over my face, dog.